I know I'm looking a little bit biggy and haggard at the moment, but I don't have the pump because I'm kind of like cheap like that. Now, I know everyone loves a chestnut, but I don't know where the hell that chestnut is. I think it's broken into two. So I'm just going to use Hover. I'm not sure if the lip is a bit too pink for me. It's probably like a look that I would create for my everyday look, but it's just like what I would wear when I want to wear no makeup. This is the final look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about this natural look. So I created this look using the MAC Loud and Clear range, and I'm really loving how I created this natural look. And I know you want to find out how I created this look as well. But if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on... Actually, I do videos sporadically now because we're in a quarantine and I'm just literally putting out as much content as possible so that you guys can be entertained. So if you'd want to be part of that crew, like, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply my foundation. I know I'm looking a little bit biggy and haggard at the moment, but I just did my eyebrows off camera. So before I apply my foundation, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Caramel. I just use this as a color corrector, so I just place this underneath my eyes and just on the darker areas where I've had some spots before. Okay, I'm going in with the foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix SP50 foundation in NC58. I don't have the pump because I'm kind of like cheap like that. So I'm just going to place some on the back of my hand and work in with a foundation brush. Okay, foundation is done. I'm just gonna set that using the Too Faced Natural Lush powder. I absolutely love setting my face with this powder because I just think it gives my face a little bit more of a glimmer and shine to it. I'm then going to set my face also with the Set and Refresh Mist Morphe and Jeffree Star. I absolutely love this setting mist. I think it's like the bomb diggity bomb. I think it's the best setting mist. I don't have my MAC Studio Fix, which is why I'm not using it, but I also like the MAC Studio Fix ones, and I think they've got like a new goldeny one coming out, so definitely want to try that. I'm then going to go in with the 24-hour MAC Studio Fix concealer, and my shade is NC48. I'm just going to place that over the top of my eyes. Now I'm just placing a small amount and then I'm just going to blend it in with a blender. And because the eyeshadow I'm using is a brownish tone, I'm going to use this as a primer for my eyeshadow. Sometimes I think white primers leave like a cast. Okay, the eyeshadow I'm going to use is back to Surreality, and it's a nice little brown shade for a natural look. Just going to swatch it for you so you can see, but it's basically almost skin tight, just a little bit lighter than my skin, and I love that. It's going to look super natural. So I'm just taking a blending brush. This is the Illamasqua IL185, and I'm just going to blend that on my lid and into my crease line. I absolutely love that. It looks like I'm not wearing anything, but it just makes my eyelid a little bit more brighter. I'm then going to go back in with my concealer and place some underneath my eye, and I'm just going to highlight my under eye and just down the bridge of my nose. And I'm just going to set that with my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in Deep Peach. And I'm just going to use the Extra Dimension Skinfinish in Hot Damn-oiselle d'Avignon. Such a long name for like just a little bit of a highlighter. Using this as a highlighter, it's a lovely peachy tone. So I literally just sweeped it on the balls of my cheek and then worked my way up. Okay, I'm just gonna do my mascara, eyeliner, and just touch up my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back for the lip. Okay, I'm back and I'm loving how I've tied in this look all together. Onto the lip, I'm going in with the MAC lip pencil in Hover. Now, I know everyone loves a chestnut, but I don't know where the hell that chestnut is. I think it's broken into two. So I'm just going to use Hover. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Sugar Sweet Cameo. Just gonna swatch that colour for you. It is a nice little peachy reddish brown colour. And then I'm gonna go in with Painted Lady, has a gloss on top. Okay guys, so that is the lip and this is the final look. So yeah, what are you thinking? This is just literally a natural look. This is probably like a look that I would create for my everyday look. I think the lip is a little bit more pinkier, but it's just like what I would wear when I want to wear no makeup. And I love that whole like no makeup look. I'm not sure if the lip is a bit too pink for me. So I normally go for like a nude, a dark lip, or a red. So having a pink is kind of like a little bit different for me. But it's a really cool range and I really like the packaging, how it's just like clear basically. But if you like that video, want to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video, want to share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always say what, guys? Bougie.